Hello and welcome to a short video on my cloud computing project. My name is George Nash and this is for the cloud computing module at the University of Bristol. Right, so to kick things off, I've been making my project in Google App Engine and I've made a desktop and an iOS application. And what the app does is it is a performance tracker for students at school. So if I log in here, this is the desktop application that teachers will be using. So in a nutshell, the overall application allows teachers to upload marks, and then on an iOS app, students and parents can review their marks. But it's not just marks, there are documents and photos too. Right, so let's start with the iOS app, which we can see down here in the simulator. And this is the homepage. So this will be used by students and parents to track their performance in school through homeworks, coursework, assignments, and also to review documents, whether that's school photos or a timetable or something useful uploaded by a teacher. Right, so let's log in. I'm going to log in as me. Right, so here's the homepage. We've got marks, and we've got files, and we've got some account information. So we have some existing marks already, I believe. Here we go. So we've got 3 things. Now let's become a teacher and upload some marks from a recent assignment. So that is done through the desktop application. So as you can see, when I signed in, it's taken my email address and it's stored it here. This is kind of for security and background checking reasons. So I'll enter the school name. These marks are going to be for computing. And they're going to be for a Haskell test. And this was a couple of days ago. Right. And now choose a file. So I've got a file ready made. Here we are. There we go. Which is just a spreadsheet with names and corresponding marks. This is very common for teachers. They can upload a CSV file if they want, but Excel is the most common. So that's what we're going to use. Okay, so let's upload that. There we go. And then by hitting upload, this is going to be stored in the Google Data Store and then viewable through the iOS app. So that's gone through. Great. Now let's see if a Haskell lab has popped up. Hey, it has. Excellent, 84%. Great. Now on to photos and images and documents. So this isn't just for marks, but students can review things like photos, timetables, all that kind of useful stuff. So I've put in a few to kick us off. I've got a school photo, an exam timetable, some exam past papers, that kind of thing. So it's a good data store for students to use at the same time. Right, so teachers can upload photos for students, so let's do that. So let's go to the photos page. And this time, rather than uploading marks for a group of students, you upload a photo or an image or a document just for one student. So let's do it for me again. Into my school. And I have a prepared photo to upload. We are going to upload the cover photo for the assignment for my animation coursework. Great. So let's upload that. That's gone through. And then hopefully, if we just refresh this, there it is, down at the bottom. Hey. Perfect. So this has been a brief overview of the functionality provided by my cloud computing project. Thank you very much.